If you were wondering what the 8 parts of speech are, here you go. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, interjection, conjunction, and preposition. What I did was I took a rectangle piece of paper, wrote it on one side, flipped it over, and I wrote the definition on the back, real light so it didn't go through the paper. And then I gave an example right here. So I used a rectangle piece of paper, folded it in half vertically, then fold it in half horizontally, and then again in half, and then you can get all your 8 sections. So the first one, for example, a noun. It's a person, place, thing, or an idea. Now that you're not in kindergarten anymore, an idea, for example, love. I love pizza. Love is a wonderful thing, but you can't touch it. It's not like a horse. Can't see it, can't touch it, but you know it's there. So here are some examples of nouns. House, horse, ant, Smoky Mountains, ooh, proper noun. Democracy. Can't really touch democracy, but it is a noun. So here's a pronoun. It replaces a noun. Like he, we, they, it, them. There are several more. Here's adjective. Take a look. It describes a noun. Anything that describes anything we talked about so far, like a tall horse, a red horse, wide, 3. These are all words. Numbers, colors, all are adjectives. A verb, we like to think of that as something you do, but not always. There's another kind as well. It shows action or being. For instance, run, leap, seem, appear, is, am, he is hungry, okay? Here are adverbs. Adverbs are defined as something that describes a verb or another adverb. A lot of times they end in ly, like quickly, fashionably, she was fashionably late for the ball, tomorrow, very, not, and always. Those are all adverbs. Take a look at this one, an interjection. I think of it as like a one-word yell sometimes. Wow, hey, yikes, aha, yippee. Those are some examples of interjections. Conjunctions. There are 3 different kinds. If you look, they're written down here. I made a mistake with my arrow. You can see where they should be. There are rock star conjunctions, like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And there are also coordinating conjunctions, relative conjunctions, as seen right here. They work in tandem. They work together. The word relative is in there, so they have someone else they're related to work and function. And the last one is prepositions. They usually begin a phrase. Again, follow the arrow up here, like of, in, for, at. I like to think of Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood, she had quite a few examples of prepositions in the story. Over the river, through the woods, to grandmother's house, we go. We go is the actual sentence. All those other parts before that are prepositional phrases, beginning with a preposition. So, check out Little Red Riding Hood or other great books, and let me know if you find a lot of prepositional phrases in the story. I'd like to see it. Have a good day.